It's a fish.
It's a fish. Oh, it's a nice one too, boys.
It feels so weird not having gear.
I know. How's it going, boys?
How you doing, man?
Good to see ya. Oh, you got the death. Well, yeah, we're gonna boat. Let's go fish. Let's check out the. Doesn't seem too crowded. You might as well take a pass and all that. Put some Lucas fuel injector cleaner in there. He's gonna send you a message last night. You're like, you take my boat if you want. Yeah. No. I mean, I would like to. Believe me, I would like to fish with somebody's sled. I just. All right, Chris. Here's where I fish your first. You can bring yours in and go back behind Chris. The ambiance. I was driving over. That's what we got. That's what.
Yeah, I don't know what. Yeah. Big
All right,
surf?
Chris, like 20 footer off to the left. Oh. Who would have thought? Right? Just a little short one in here, Chris. Beautiful. Beautiful. What's crazy is these guys fish out here when this shit's underwater.
Really?
Yeah. Now, granted, when there's more water on it, it bends over, so the water's not that, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it's fucking high. All right, guys, we're gonna go to the right. See this grass clump over here?
Yeah.
We're gonna go like halfway between here and there. Go ahead.
Is that closer one?
Yeah. What it's like to have a bobber down. Hang with me. I'm gonna get like close to the bank. Go ahead. Beautiful. It's kind of snaggy, like right in here, and then once we get it rolls over, and then this is gonna be nice all the way.
Okay.
Chris, pull yours back like 10 feet. See this little soft line right here, right in there. You can come in too, Jason. Nice, Chris. That's nice. You're going to want to come in like half the distance and then just open the bail back up. Beautiful.
It's getting greedy.
It's hard to come in. One thing you got to remember too, though, like in this instance, because we're set a bit deeper than the water.
Fish.
That's a fish. That's a nice one too, boy.
Oh shit, it's one go to the bushes.
There we go. Go over my head. Go over my head right here.
On the vibrant orange.
Oh yeah, that was that fucking.
Because I switched up the color. I was like, yeah, I'll try orange.
It looks like a nice fish too.
All right. Who's got the net?
He ain't ready yet.
No. Oh!
Well, that's heartbreaking.
That is heartbreaking. Bent the hook out.
So look at the top of my. Oh no! Look at the top of my tackle box. Better to have hooked than to have never hooked at all. That's from Cowboy.
I like Cowboy.
You know Cowboy?
I do.
Cowboy's my dude.
He's a nice guy, man. I like him.
Oh, that was a good fish.
I think Ryan introduced me to him.
Needed some spinners. Ooh, finally got my sunglasses back on. Oh, have a cookie. Another cookie.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Want another cookie?
Surely.
Chris, you want a cookie?
Sure. You like another
Leader?
leader?
Just when you get a chance.
Doggy almost gone, man. Maybe cut like
Oh, yeah.
6 inches or so off that. Get some scissors.
Well, it's a bummer.
Here, Chris, let's do a pass with this one.
Oh, you got it hooked up?
It was hooked up. Hooked it up somehow. Here.
Well, it's got me shaking.
Got you shaking?
Yeah.
Yeah, just right off the road.
Yeah, we got a fish on. Hell yeah.
That's nice fish. I'm gonna have you grab the net. How do you think he's gonna go? Let's see. He's not ready to net. Wait just a second. I want you to take one step back to the middle so I can row. Okay. No, I was talking about Jason. All right, guys. Here. I need you to sit down, please. All right, you're good. You're good. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Not yet. Watch out. Good job, Ryan.
That's a nice fish.
All right, we're good. We're good. We're gonna just casually get him right down here. Don't horse him yet. We got this hole. Now we got this nice flat here. We got him right here.
Ew.
Also, just kind of hold him tight to the boat. Don't drag him into the boat.
Oh yeah.
That was fantastic.
Ew.
Good job. Good job. Oh, that was awesome, man. Which way's it gonna go? Come over here. No, go over there.
Fun when you're like on a ride. You know, there's lots of willows.
Lots of opportunity for failure.
Yeah. Hey, we got one.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab the nose of the boat real quick, and I'll just hop over. Let's
Can we hop out?
yeah, but we're gonna do this. Here, I'm gonna go over here.
You want me to hop out?
Yeah. Oh, shit. Over here, Ryan. You have to go.
Okay. I like hardly even take pictures of this anymore.
There you go, buddy. I'm ready to move. Sweet, buddy. You can let her go. Well done, gentlemen. Everyone contributed there.
I don't know what I did.
Fucking super positive. Didn't do anything to fuck it up.
I sat here and stayed out of the way. I got a big bag of candy.
It looks like it. Steelhead candy. All right. Well, that was a good day.